Greetings, guys, and welcome to the class. I just wanted to make a quick video to sort of introduce you to the Schoology site. You're all going to be using it a lot over our time together, so it's going to be useful to kind of see how things work out. This is the home page here. We've got a little intro, week one, and obviously as time goes by, this will fill up with a bunch of stuff. But yeah, you can kind of see I've laid out sort of in under week one, sort of like what we're going to try to accomplish. Um, I guess before I get too far, if you can't find the class, just go under courses here, and you can find it up there under American Literature, section 1, under the courses section. Just join that class. Whoops, didn't mean to click that. So yeah, you'll see the little introduction here and kind of what I expect, very loosely what I expect from everybody. Stuff from week one. We've got a folder here for additional resources and readings. I'll kind of just post stuff in here that I think will help us with assignments, like this one first from George Orwell, writing, excellent piece of writing about writing. So that'll help you kind of write your papers. Over here we've got some stuff on the calendar. You can find that all this stuff under week one as well, but you can kind of see it on the right hand side here. Some stuff that's due, discussion, Pigston writing assignment, and a quiz. So you can just come over here and hit week one. And again, you'll see all these assignments here, and you can click on them and play around with it. I've generally got plenty of links here. Try to provide the links that we'll be using under each assignment. But yeah, that's kind of it, basically. That's kind of how you find things. I'll try to keep things pretty clean and organized, so it's not too hard to find your way around. So generally, if you're just like curious about something, you need something, I'll have it under that week. You just go to whatever week in question you have and find it there. So yeah, that's how we're going to be doing things this semester, and I look forward to working with you.